A very good morning, children. Today, we are going to start with the chapter number 6, Plants, Living and Surviving. As you know, children, plants grow in different kinds of environments, such as cold mountains, deserts, and ponds. So, the environment in which plants grow and is commonly found is called a natural habitat. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the two main types of plants habitat. One is terrestrial. Terrestrial habitat, the habitat which is found on land are called terrestrial. Aquatic, the habitats in water are called aquatic habitat. Terrestrial habitat includes habitats in plains, mountains, marshy areas, and even deserts. In aquatic, the habitats in ponds, lakes, rivers, and seas. Now, what are terrestrial plants? The plants that grow on land habitats such as plain, cold, mountains, marshy lands, and deserts are called terrestrial plants. Now we are going to learn about them one by one. Plants that grow in plain region. The climate in the plain can range from very hot to very cold. Plants that grow in the plains have many branches and lush green crowns. The trees in plains have a large number of thin, lightweight leaves. The large number of leaves help them to capture a lot of sunlight to make food. Some examples are mango tree, neem tree, etc. Now the plants that grow in mountain areas. High mountains become very cold during snowfall, as you know that. Fir plant, pine are some trees which are found in the mountain regions. The mountains trees survive in the cold conditions due to as the trees are very straight and they are tall. They have conical crowns that help them to slide off the snow easily without damaging their trees and their leaves. They have tough needle shaped leaves. It is difficult for snow to accumulate on the narrow needle shaped leaves. Apple, walnut, and almond trees also grow in snowy plants. Next is the plants that grow in deserts. Axia, cactus are mostly found in deserts. Desert plants have small leaves. Most of the plants lose water through the stomata in the leaves. In desert, there is a scarcity of water. So, smaller leaves help the desert plants to retain water by minimizing the water loss. In desert plant cactus, the leaves are modified into spines, or we can say thorns. This helps the plants to prevent water loss. It also discourages animals from eating these plants. Now the plants that grow in the marshy area. Marshy areas have clay or wet soil. In this, water does not drain out from the soil. The soil becomes very damp and it lacks air. Trees in marshy areas remain submerged in water. Their roots do not get enough air. Their roots grow out from the sides and help the plants to breathe. That roots are called as breathing roots. The Sundari mangrove trees, which is in the Sundarbans of West Bengal, are the good example of marshy areas. So this is all about today's class. In today, we have learned about the terrestrial habitat. In the next class, we are going to learn about aquatic plants. Thank you so much, children. Have a good day.